Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on Senior School Certificate Examination, NECO 2025. With us here is General Mathematics Paper 2, Question 7a. Let's consider this 7a. The question 7a Roman numerals 1 read, use completing the square method to solve the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Roman numerals 2, hence, use the result in 7a Roman numerals 1 above to find the root of the equation 4x squared plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. It means we are to use completing the square method on this quadratic equation. And whatever result we have, we now use it to solve this other equation. Of course, indirectly, we are asked to find the general formula of quadratic equation. In other words, we are asked to derive that general formula of solving quadratic equation. Let's consider this question. Let's write down the solution. The solution to Roman numerals 1 now. We have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Very important. The first step, that's step 1. Let me write it as first step. Step 1 is for us to subtract this constant from both sides. Subtract c from both sides. That's step 1 now. What does that mean? We'll have ax squared plus bx will be equals to plus c minus c will be equals to 0 minus c. Of course, c minus c is 0. We're left with ax squared plus bx will be equals to 0 minus c is minus c. This is now step 1. Let's move to step 2. I hope we're together. Step 2 now. That's step 2, or we can say the second step now is going to be, we check the coefficient of x squared. Is it unity? Is it 1? No, we have a. So it means we are to divide each term by the coefficient of x squared. Divide each term by the coefficients. I hope we're together. The coefficient of x squared. So we pick the first term, which is ax squared divided by a plus b divided by ax will now be equals to minus c divided by a. Very important. Let's move here. We can reduce this. We'll have x squared. Then next plus b divided by ax will now be minus c divided by a. This is now step 2. Next step, that will be step 3 now. Permit me to clean step 1 so that we can move to step 3. Step 3 now, the third step now, third step, that's step 3, is for us to add half the square of the coefficient of x to both sides. Add half the square of the coefficient of x to both sides. What does it mean? Step 3 now. This is step 3. Very important. Permit me to clean step 2 as well, because we are through with that. Add half. It means we go and check the coefficient of x, which is b divided by a. Find half of it and square it, add it to both sides. So we have b divided by a. Half of it, then we square it. What are we going to get? Let's simplify this. This will be b divided by 2a all squared. So this is what we need. So we add this to both sides. Very important. So it means we'll have x squared plus b divided by ax It will now be plus b divided by 2a all square will be minus c divided by a plus b divided by 2a all square. This is now step 3. Very important. Add half the square of the coefficient of x to both sides. Very important. Let's make progress. Next step now, that will be step 4, is by comparing now. Step 4, the fourth step now is by what? By comparing. If we decide to compare, what are we going to get? That's we compare this x square to this other square here, meaning we don't need the middle now. So it means since we have square here, we pick x plus what? B divided by 2a. We square it. So it will be x plus b divided by 2a all square now will be equals to, we work on this, we have minus c divided by a plus b square will be b square, 2 square is 4, a square is a square. So this is what we are going to have. This is now step 4. Permit me to clean step 3 so that we work on that step 4. Here, let's simplify this, the right hand side now. Let's simplify the right hand side. We have c divided by a plus b square divided by 4a square. Let's find the LCM here. The LCM will be 4a square. A into 4a square will be left with 4a times minus c, that will be minus 4ac plus 4a square divided by 4a square will be 1 multiplied by b square, that will be b square. We can write this as b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Very important. This will be our right hand side. So let's bring in our left hand side now. That is x plus b divided by 2a all square will be equals to b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. So the next thing for us to do is to take the square root of both sides so that we can remove this square. That will be the next step now. Permit me to clean this, and step 5 now, or the fifth step now, or step 5, we take the square roots, take the square roots of what? Of both sides. Very important. It means we have the square root of x plus b divided by 2a all square will be the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by, as we are taking the square root, of course we have to put plus or minus, divided by 4a square. But before we do that, let me leave it this way. So this is our step 5 now. Permit me to clean this part up to this point. Let's work on this. This square will take care of this. We'll be left with x plus b divided by 2a will be plus or minus. Let's take the square root of our numerator. We'll have the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by square root of 4 is 2. The square root of a square will be a. Very important. Okay, so the next thing to do, let's try to make x the subject of the formula here. So we have x will now be equals to, let's bring b divided by 2a to this side. We'll have minus b divided by 2a. We have plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let's find the LCM at this point. Very important. The LCM, of course, will be 2a. 2a into 2a is 1 multiplied by minus b. That will be minus b plus or minus 2a into 2a is 1 multiplied by the whole of this. We have root b square minus 4ac. This is now equals to x. And this is said to be the general formula of this quadratic equation. We are asked to use the completing the square method to solve this equation. So this will be the solution now. The solution is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the solution to Roman numerals 1. And we are asked to use this result to solve this equation just by comparing them. I recall the general form of quadratic equation solution to Roman numerals 2 now is given as ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So let's compare this. It means a is 4. Our a is 4 by comparing now. B is 7. Then the constant c, of course, is minus 2. So it's just a question of substituting into this general formula. Permit me to clean the question now so that we can do the substitution. Let's substitute. We have x now equal b. Our b is 7. That will be minus 7 plus or minus. We have the square root 7 square minus 4 multiplied by our a, of course, is 4. That will be 4 multiplied by our c, which is minus 2, divided by 2 times our a is 4. So let's simplify. We have x now will be equals to minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 square, of course, is 49. Minus times minus is positive. So we have plus 16 times 2, we have 32. This 4 times 4 is 16 times 2 is 32, divided by 2 times 4 is 8. So we have x now will be equals to minus 7 plus or minus. We add 32 plus 49, we have, of course, 81 divided by 8. So x now will be equals to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 81 is 9 divided by 8. So we have two values of x. Permit me to clean here so that we can solve for x. At this point, either x is equals to minus 7 plus 9 divided by 8, or minus 7 minus 9 divided by 8. This will be the two values of what? X. So x now will be minus 7 plus 9, of course, will be 2 out of 8, or minus 7 minus 9, of course, will be minus 16 out of 8. Finally, let's reduce this. X now will be equals to 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. That will be 1 out of 4. Or minus 16 divided by 8. Of course, x will be minus 2. So this is said to be the solution to Roman numerals 2. And this is the solution to question 7a. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. In my next video, God's willing, we look at 7b. I decided to break the video into two, 7a and 7b. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.